Also, as you know, Switzerland has very advantageous tax and crypto regulations. There's no tax on capital gains, stock, or crypto if the asset is held for over 6 months with no active trading. Any recommendations of what you do to take advantage of this? Yes. So what you need to do is think about swing trading. Pick two assets that you like. So for example, this is the Sol BTC chart. And the reason I like this pair is they're both going to go up. They both have gone up and both will continue to go up. But if you look at the pair, you can see they oscillate around the same point. So if you owned Bitcoin or Solana starting back in, let me get this date right. What year is that? I say the last 12 months exactly. They have both done the same. They have both performed the same. Now, if you go back 2 years, Solana outperformed Bitcoin by about 350%. So slightly different situation. But what you can do here, because you have to look at this over a 6-month window, you could have to hold for 6 months to avoid capital gains. What you could do is swing trade this pair because they're both going to go up. The question is, where and when do you get out? So there's a couple of things you can see here. One, on the bottom of the chart is the mean reversion model, and that's part of IADSS. What you could do is wait for pico moments to buy or sell. So when you see the green dots at the bottom, that's when you flip your Bitcoin into Solana, and then vice versa at the top. And the confluence model at the top will tell you when to enter and then when to exit the pair. And it's just, all you have to do is get used to a pair like this, pick any pair you want, and determine when you can swing them. There's also another twist here, which is very interesting. And from what I understand as well, if you have a staking income from staking rewards, I think staked assets, again, if you hold them for more than 6 months, there's no taxes, but you'd have to ask about that. So if you lend your cryptocurrency, interest earned is taxable, but the principal amount if held for 6 months isn't. I'm not sure where we are with staking rewards on Solana, but that could make this very interesting as well. So check that out. If I was there, I would wait. I'd use the 4-hour chart, and I'd swing trade between 2 winning assets every 6 months. And by the way, you can still exit a trade after 6 months and sit on cash before you re-enter as well. So you don't have to flip one asset to the other. I did that as an experiment last year, which worked out very well, but you don't have to do that. So you could hold on to cash for a month, wait for the market to dip, and then move into Bitcoin or something.